Imagine telling someone years ago that millions of flowers would bloom in the middle of the desert. Not a few plants, not a small garden, but an entire place filled with color, life, and beauty. Most people would probably laugh because deserts are supposed to be empty, dry, lifeless. And yet here we are. One of the quiet beliefs many of us carry is this: where we start in life determines how far we can go. If the environment is hard, if the opportunities are few, if the beginning of our story feels difficult, we start believing something subtle, not powerful. We start believing that maybe growth was never meant for us, that maybe the soil we were planted in was never meant to produce anything beautiful. But when you walk through the place like this, it challenges that belief because deserts are not where people expect flowers to grow, and yet somehow they do. Before this garden existed, this land looked very difficult. Just sand. No color, no fragrance, no pathways full of people walking around amazed. Just desert. But at some point, someone imagined something different. Someone looked empty land and saw potential. And that's often how transformation begins. Not when conditions are perfect, not when everything is ready, but when someone dares to imagine what others believe is impossible. What people notice when they come here are flowers, the colors, the designs, the beauty. But what most people never use is the work behind it: the irrigation system, the people who water and maintain the plants, the planning that happens every single day. Flowers don't appear overnight, and the same is true in our lives. Growth rarely happens in dramatic moments. Most of the time, it happens quietly. And there are seasons in life that feel invisible, seasons where it feels like nothing is changing. You're still doing the work, still showing up, still trying to grow, but it doesn't look like anything is happening yet. Those seasons can feel discouraging because we live in a world that celebrates visible success, but growth happens underground first. Roots grow before flowers appear. And sometimes the most important progress is the kind no one sees. One of the easiest ways to lose hope is by comparing our journey to someone else's bloom. We look at someone's success and think it happened quickly. We see the flowers, but not yet, not the years of preparation. We see the beauty, but not the patience. But every garden has its own timing. Some flowers bloom early, some bloom later, and some take much longer because their roots are growing deeper. There are moments in our life where everything feels dry, opportunities feel limited, motivation disappears, and hope becomes harder to hold on to. Those seasons can feel like a desert: empty, uncertain, endless. But deserts have something interesting about them. They look lifeless at first glance, but hidden beneath the surface there is still potential. Sometimes the most resilient things grow in the harshest environments because struggles develop strength. Challenges develop creativity, and limitations often force us to become more resourceful. A flower that grows in the desert doesn't grow because conditions are easy. It grows because it adapts. And sometimes that's what our lives are doing too: adapting, learning, becoming stronger. So today, walking through this garden, seeing millions of flowers blooming in a place people once expected nothing, it becomes a quiet reminder. Your beginning does not decide your ending. Your environment does not define your future. Sometimes the most beautiful stories start in the most unlikely places. Because if a desert can bloom, maybe your life can too.